Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kailina or Kai. It's been a really long time since I made a video, so I'm not really sure what to expect. Anyways, I hope you guys have been doing well. I've been doing pretty good. A lot of stuff has happened, so I'll probably be talking about it and rambling on in this video. I haven't watched the footage yet, but I guarantee you I'll just be jumping subject to subject. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's just move on to the look. Wait, I need to zoom out. Oh, I have an hour and 7 minutes left. I already moisturized my face with Origin's Glow Boost. It's vitamin C. So I'm just gonna prep and prime my face with the One Size Beauty Secure the Blur. We're just gonna put this on the areas that we feel like are more oily. Anyways, guys, it's been a long time. Like, how have you guys been? I've been doing good. Thank you for asking. If I don't talk about like what I'm using, it's gonna be down below in the description. Basically, my entire like face regimen stuff has not changed. Let's just start from the beginning. Number one, today I got my hair done. The blonde is gone. The blonde is gone and the dark is here to stay. Let's just talk about what's going on right now. I am a freelancer for MAC. I am not permanent anymore. I know, shame on me. I'm gonna have to talk about that in another video. But today, I got my hair done this morning. Today's a rainy day. One of my really good friends is coming over to visit me and see my place, and I haven't seen her in like years. She's gonna be here in like an hour, so that's why I'm trying to like make this video and then hurry up. I felt like doing a video today because not only did I get my hair done, but I thought, you know, I did a holiday video I think last year or 2 years ago. It was like holiday makeup, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna make a video. Like, I was inspired by that look. Okay, so next we're gonna do some concealer. I'm gonna be using the Prolongwear NC25 and NC20 by MAC Cosmetics, and don't mind my sponge. This girl's old. She's been going on for so long, I don't even know. I'm just gonna have to buy a new one because I don't think you could clean this. We're going in first with the NC25 concealer. This is just to get ready with me. I'm literally not even going anywhere. This morning, I had my hair appointment at 9 a.m. I had to go on the freeway. And guys, like when I tell you, the first rain after a long time, my car was gliding, dude. Like, I thought I was gonna get in a car accident like 5 times. I'm being so dramatic, 100 times. No, I wasn't. Because it was hydroplaning, and then I thought there was something wrong with my car because it said tighten the gas cap, and I was like, okay, this is after my appointment, by the way. So I go out and I tighten the gas cap, and then I get in my car, it still says tighten gas cap. So I'm like, okay, whatever, I'm just gonna drive home because I'm putting the NC20 on the inner corner, just so you guys know. So I'm driving home. I was just like, you know, forget it. I am gonna go 50 miles per hour. I am not going any faster than that, and whoever wants to go around me can. That's why I don't like driving in the rain, guys. That was just like terrifying. Okay, we're just gonna blend this in right here. By the way, I'm using the One Size translucent setting powder. So using the NC20 Prolongwear concealer, I am just gonna be placing this on my nose. Sadly enough, I did drop down as a freelancer in MAC, debating about going back because, oh wait, that's a different video. Anyways, I'm taking clients, so if you are based in the Bay Area and want to get your makeup done, send me a message on Instagram. I'll have to link all of my socials again after this video, or you can text 707-353-6777. That is my business number. Yeah, feel free to text me to book an appointment, and yeah. We're gonna start contouring now using the Juvias Place Tan Contour Palette. Clearly, I've used this one a lot. It's hitting pan already. I feel like right now, can you see my lashes behind me? Take these down. It's kind of an eyesore. I feel like I just do my makeup, then I record it, then I have no idea what I was talking about. Then I go back and look at the footage, and I'm just like, man, I really gotta get a hang of things. Let's check the time. 3:08. We still have about an hour. And the next product I'll be using is the cream by Fenty Beauty Honey Glaze number 4. We're gonna use this one to contour the nose. Right, so now that we have that, I'm gonna go ahead and use that same One Size translucent powder. Now I'm taking the So-Hollywood Loose Highlighter by Anastasia, which, you know, I don't even think that they make this anymore. I've had this since I was like 15 or 16, but that just proves to show how long makeup can really last if you like. Personally, I don't think that makeup really expires. I think it does, foundation and concealer and like mascara and eyeliner, but like anything that's just kind of like a loose powder, like eyeshadow or like loose pigment. Oh, you know what? I'm just rambling on. I just hope this video goes somewhere. Part of the reason why I wasn't really making a lot of videos after my last one was because my hard drive broke and I was not able to get any footage back from my broken hard drive. My Final Cut Pro was also on the hard drive, which I probably should have just kept it on my laptop because now I have to rebuy it. You know, that'll be my Christmas present. I'm just gonna ask my mom if she can buy it for me. Oh, speaking of my mom. Hey!
Hey, did I accidentally call you?
Did you? Because I think you called me.
I didn't mean to call you.
Girl, what? I don't know. Anyways, I don't even know what I was talking about anymore. Oh, the reason why I wasn't like recording. Yeah. So basically my Final Cut Pro got deleted. Well, not deleted, but like it got destroyed. And then I lost motivation. And then like I was depressed. No, I'm just kidding. I couldn't make videos anymore. So then I was like, crap, like I really can't do anything. So then I was like, you know what? Focus on school, focus on work. For today's highlight, we are going to be using Show Gold and Whisper of Guilt. Probably gonna use more of the Whisper of Guilt just because I want some more gold. So I'm putting on Show Gold first. Okay.
If I can find any like.
Did you buy?
I bought each boy a body spray, body wash, and a lotion. They're on sale for $6.
Oh, at Bath and Body Works?
Yeah, for men's, all the men's stuff.
Okay, so I did my brows off camera. I'm gonna go ahead and swipe away this nose contour because it looks kind of crazy. I already put some powder over my eyes. Okay, I don't know what's going on, but I'm going through this thing where it's like I don't really like to use eyeshadow primer because I feel like it just messes up my blending process. So using the 420 palette by Melt Cosmetics, I'm gonna go in with Hash, not Yash. This will be our base color, actually. The next shade we'll be using is Dank and Roll It. Who came up with these names? I'm impressed. So using Dank, we're just gonna go in the crease. All right, keep going back and forth. It's all about the blending. Okay, going in with Roll With It now. And we're just gonna focus on the outer part of our crease and blend it out. Okay. I have 40 minutes left. Girl, I better hurry up. Okay, so the next shade, I feel like this is kind of similar to what I did the first time. Well, no, my MAC video. I think I used like the similar shades. I think I'm gonna add some just black in the corner using my By Mario palette, Master Mattes. I'm gonna use this black shade right here and go in the corner only. She's cute or whatever. Okay. Okay, so for this lighter shade, I'm gonna be using Basic Trut in the Nikki Tutorials and a Beautybaycom, but this is my ultimate favorite color because it's like not too light, but it's not too pink and it's not too white. I don't know why, but I've been really liking eyeshadow looks that don't have to do with like a super sharp cut crease. I feel like that was very 2017, 18, but I really like a good soft cut crease. So using like a smaller blending brush, I'm gonna get a little bit of my Too Faced glitter glue, put a little bit on the lid, just kind of blend it out. We're gonna be using the NYX Bronze Glitter and then place it on the lid. Like a very minimal amount of glitter glue. I'm saying that because it might mess up your eyeshadow. Okay, so next we're gonna go in with Reflex Opal by MAC Cosmetics. Pretty sure they still sell this one, I'm not sure. But we're gonna take some of this pigment and put it on the inner corner of our eyes here. Okay, so it's not as pigmented as I expected it to be. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray this brush with a setting spray. I'm gonna use the same browns and go underneath the waterline. I personally think I need to get like better at doing tutorials. So now I'm going to be using the Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit. This one's a sample. This is probably one of my favorite mascaras. And I know I said Max Stack was my favorite. This one's really good too. Okay, now to add some lashes and get the lips on. So the lashes that I will be using today are the Kiss lashes. I don't know what the name of it is because I threw away the packaging. They were $3 and it's worth it. But let me just brush away this contour right here. Okay, so the plans have changed. My friend is not coming over until almost 5 o'clock, which is perfect because I can focus on cleaning after I'm done with this, finishing up the video, and then getting some dinner. I don't know what I'm gonna make though. So anyway, so now that we have this done, personally I kind of feel like I want to put some glitter like underneath my eye right here. Maybe we should, maybe we shouldn't. I feel like we should. Okay, let's just see what it looks like. Okay, we have a bunch of fallout glitter. I don't know if it's gonna go away. I'm gonna take my big fluffy brush and hope that it just kind of falls off. So I will be using the Chestnut lip pencil from MAC Cosmetics. Actually, no, I lied. Before that, we're gonna use the leftover concealer that was on my sponge. And this is gonna kind of act like our new lipstick. Now I'm gonna go in with the Cork lip pencil. And to top that all off, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Lip Gloss. Okay, wait. First of all, can you guys believe that this was a sample? This looks like full size. And it smells like, kind of smells like strawberries or like berries. Alright, so I think that is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's been a really long time since I last made a video. I'm hoping I can get back on it again. I still don't have my Final Cut Pro, but we'll make things work. Comment down below what videos you guys want to see next. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in my next video.